Hi everyone, my name is Jolie Boucher. I am a Google for Education trainer and innovator. Today I am super excited to show you some new updates with Google Meet. You can now launch Google Meet within Google Slides, Docs, and even Google Sheets. Let's learn how. So once you click on the new Google Meet icon, you are going to have the option to start a new meeting or join using a meeting code. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Start a New Meeting, and you will see Google Meet will pop up in the right-hand corner of your screen. You can copy the code to send it off to others, or down at the bottom, you still have all your settings. You can turn on the captions, you can see your people, the meeting details. Everything is still here for you. So I'm going to join today's meet using a second device I have here. I'm going to go ahead and click join. And once I do that, you're going to see the second participant is going to pop up on the screen. So there I am. Hello, everybody. So I'm really excited for this feature. I think it can be super useful. Now, here's what's really cool. Once you have added your participants to the Meet, you can also continue over to a Google Doc. And if you click on the Google Meet, you can just bring the call right on over. Look at that. It seamlessly just brings the Google Meet participants over. And now you can talk about your doc. And it works in Google Sheets as well. So once again, just click on the icon, select bring the call here, and all your participants come over and you can talk about your Google Sheet. Really cool. I think this is an amazing addition. I love that you can share the link to present this in a full Google Meet as well. You can click present now and you still have that option to do so. I think this is great. And I'm excited to hear if you've had success with this new feature.